In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Google Pay to bank account. We'll move your Google Pay balance to your bank using a web browser, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening a browser on your computer or your phone and going to wallet.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you're prompted. The layout can look slightly different on desktop and mobile, but the options you need are the same. Once you're on the Google Wallet homepage, look for payment methods. On a computer, you'll usually find it in the left-hand menu. On a phone, you may need to open the menu first. This is where Google keeps your saved cards, bank accounts, and your Google Pay balance settings. Inside payment methods, choose Money in Google Pay. This section shows your current balance and recent activity. If your balance is zero, you won't be able to move money out, so make sure you have funds available. If you do, you'll see the option you need next. Click Transfer Out. This is the action that moves money from your Google Pay balance to a linked bank account. If you don't see Transfer Out, double check that you're in the Money in Google Pay area and that your balance isn't pending or on hold. Now enter the amount you want to transfer to your bank. Type it carefully and make sure it doesn't exceed your available balance. If you're moving most of your balance, a quick review here helps avoid typos. Some accounts may have daily or monthly limits, so if you run into a limit message, try a smaller amount. Next, select the verified bank account where you want the funds to go. You should already see your bank listed if you've added and verified it in your Google Wallet. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct account by checking the bank name and the last digits shown. If the bank you expect isn't listed, it likely needs to be added and verified first in your account settings before you can transfer. When everything looks right, click Transfer Out to confirm. You may see a final review screen, look over the amount and destination, then proceed. You'll get a confirmation on screen and, in many cases, an email notification as well. Transfers typically complete within standard banking timelines, which can vary by country and bank. You can return to the Money in Google Pay section anytime to check status and recent activity. And that's it. Go to wallet.google.com, open payment methods, choose Money in Google Pay, select Transfer Out, enter the amount, pick your verified bank, and confirm the transfer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move your money with confidence.